The verb be takes on different forms in the present.
I am. I'm. You are. You're. He is. He's. She is. She's. It is. It's. We are. We're. You are. You're. They are. They're. It is really hot today.
Grady's not here right now.
Greg and Tim are engineers. Tracy is fond of chocolates.
Cassie is not afraid of snakes.
I'm interested in making money.